Okay, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me share my screen. Mm, Today we have to discuss communicating through the internet, online collaboration application, and computer ethics. That means we have to discuss about internet communication. Communication means we can communicate each other. So we each others. So this just now also we are communicating, but just only me talking. But this one also Zoom is also a communication network and communication application. So for this applications, we need to use internet. We need to use internet access for use those applications. So can you see my screen? You guys, can you see my screen?
Yes, we
Send
can
me a
see.
message. Okay. So what is internet communication? So how we can do that internet communication things? So first thing, we need internet connection for this internet communication. So this is the definition for the internet communication. So internet communication is referred to as the sharing of information, ideas, or simply word over the World Wide Web or internet. So we are we are using internet and we share our knowledge, information, ideas, so on. So this is the internet communication. We can communicate anything with using internet. So that's the internet communication. So the internet consists of a worldwide string of connected networks that exchange data. So we need to use internet and we need to use World Wide Web. World Wide Web means www. So using internet, we can communicate worldwide. We can communicate in worldwide. Then, unlike before, people can stay at home and be connected to fa- his or her family, friend, and even colleague from anywhere around the world. So, using this internet communication, we can communicate each other anywhere, staying in anywhere. So that's the main thing of internet communication. Okay. Then let's see what are the types of internet communication. How we can do this internet communication, which platforms we are using. Okay, so for this internet communication, we need high speed internet to access the World Wide Web or application or anything. We need high speed internet connection. Why? Otherwise, you can't proceed your communication. If your signal level is low, you cannot download anything from the internet. So then you can't do anything without high speed internet connection. So here we have several carrier networks like Dialog, Airtel, SLT, Mobitel, likewise. So Wi-Fi speed is good. Fiber is better than that. Fiber connection is better than that because it signals comes with a line of cable. That's why it's consisting with speed. Okay, Wi-Fi is speed, but SLT fiber cable network is speed is better than Wi-Fi. Okay, so we can do our internet communication things using social media sites like Facebook, Instagram. We have more social media sites: Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and we have another platforms also. Okay, so almost everyone with access to the web has a social media account. So if you have a social media account, you can access to social media. Social media means you can communicate with each other and share your feelings, share your things. You can do discussions. Likewise, you can do anything in social media. Okay. Then a single post can connect you to a friend or loved one through means of liking, sharing, or commenting. So if you post something on your social media, your friends, family, then friends, family, then who- anyone can liking, anyone can like, share, and comment. Okay. Then instant messaging. What is the instant messaging? Instant messaging means it's like very quick messaging, like WhatsApp, Messenger. If you send a message using instant messaging applications, it comes very fast. It is very quick. So that is the instant messaging platforms. Okay. Then any form of real-time text-based communication sent from one person in a network, public or private, to anyone or more people who share that network. That means you can share you can share anything using text. In nowadays, you can share your images, videos, audios, so on. But at the initial level, we can share just only text. You can share your feelings using text. You can share your experience using text. You can discuss anything using text. So that's in instant messaging, we are connecting with text. The message will arrive instantaneously on the received specific medium of communication. That can be phone, smartphone, computer, laptop, or tablet. So you can use any kind of device to use those instant messaging applications. When we are using an application, so you have I think you have mobile phone, you have laptop. Okay, so you can install Zoom on your mobile phone and on your PCs, or PCs or laptops. So you can access using your device easily. You can access those things easily. You can access those things in easily. Okay. Then instant messaging relies on transmitting a message through wireless phone signal through internet system using a software or programs specifically designed for creating an IM network. So those instant messaging applications you can use using any device like mobile phones, laptops, so on. So for communicating part, you need the internet access. Okay, so your phone is wireless, but you need internet access to access that application. Otherwise, you cannot connect with each other. You can use that applications, but you can't connect with each other. You can't connect with other people without a internet access. So this is the example for instant messaging applications: Facebook Messenger, Windows Live Messenger, WhatsApp. Like us, we have so many instant messaging applications. Okay. Then we have email. So email is a communicating platform for professional things. So we are using these emails for do professional things. Why? We cannot retry our messages using email. If you send a message, you can't update it. You can't delete it. Okay, so before you send an email, so you have to check. You have to check. If there is a mistake in your email, you cannot rewind that. You cannot get it back. So email is the professional internet communication platform. Okay, so electronic mail is the techie version of traditional mail. So emails we are using Google Mails, then Yahoo Mails, Outlook. We can use many services like that for email. Then this is more likely to be performed when engaging with a person officially. So we are using this email for connecting with others officially. In emails, we are not chatting. We are doing professional things on emails. Be it conducting a business, heading, reading for certain requests. So that means we are doing professional things using our email platform. And then chat rooms. What are chat rooms? Chat rooms are like our WhatsApp groups, WhatsApp group, Google group, not Google groups, like WhatsApp groups. So in WhatsApp group, we have more than one person in our group. Everyone can send message on a WhatsApp group. So these chat rooms also like that. Before the WhatsApp group, we are using these chat room. In 2010, I think we had Facebook chat rooms. Okay, before the rise of social media, chat rooms were very popular among young generation. So this is the initial version of our internet communication groups. It's equivalent of partying and getting to know each other, where people come together to communicate in the same room. So using a chat room, you can communicate with each other. If you don't know each other, you can know each other. Okay, so using chat rooms, you can discuss, then you can communicate, then you can express your feelings with others. Likewise, in talking, huh? Okay, then yeah, chat rooms are like that. Then internet conference. What's the internet conference? Now also we are using internet conference platform. So also a conference platform. So meeting. So internet conference can be divided into two parts: audio conference and video conference. And now we are doing not only audio conference, we are doing and audio and multimedia conference. But now just talking just only me. Okay. So audio conferencing is people are exchanging dialogues via microphone and speakers. Using audio conferencing, you can extend your dialogues. We are talking and others can hear our voice. Just only voice. In audio conference, you can hear the voice. You can talk and you can hear the voice. You can't see the person. You can't see the person who talking. Then this is the equivalent of a phone call, but is more flexible considering phone calls charge. So this is like our normal phone calls. In normal phone calls, we can talk with others, dialing a number. Then we can, if someone answer, you can talk with them, but you can't see them. So audio conferencing like that. For example, Skype. I think Skype has video conferencing also. So this lecture slide, it's a little bit read this. So this need to be a change. Not Skype is not just only audio conference. I don't know how is now Skype. I think Skype has video conference. Anyone use this Skype nowadays? I think no one use this Skype because we have WhatsApp, Messenger, video calls, so on. So we don't need to use Skype. In other countries, I think use that Skype for interviews, for interview in yeah, for interviewing we are using Skype. I got some offer from foreign country, so interview is going with Skype. Then video conferencing mean we can communicate with each other with video, audio and multimedia things. Okay, so it is practically the same as conferencing, but with both parties seeing each other through a web camera. So for video conferencing, you need a web camera. In nowadays, our laptops has a web camera, so you can do the video conferencing using your laptops. So applications like Skype, EasyTalks, and many more provide both audio and video conferences in their service. So not only Skype, eTalks, you can do with Zoom, WhatsApp, Messenger. You can do video conferencing using those things. You can get a group video call. Likewise, you can use any application. Then good for both long distance, family tasks, and business ventures. So we are using those things for discuss with our family members. If our family members are living in long distance, we can communicate with them using these video conferencing applications like WhatsApp. Then business ventures means we can do the business conferences. We can get the business meetings. Then we can do the interviews using this video conference. Then let's see advantages of internet communication. What are the advantages? What are the advantages of this internet communication? First thing is versatility. That means internet communication is 24/7. That means you can access the internet. If you can access the internet, you can do internet communication in any time. Okay. So if you have an internet connection, you can do the internet communication anytime. Not only internet connection, you need a device. Okay. So if you have a device and internet connection, you can do the internet communication in any time. Then leveling. What's the leveling? Some people are more comfortable talking behind their keyboards than they do in person, thus enabling the reserved ones to produce well drawn out through and not get immediated by loud people. That means when we are doing internet communication using video conferencing or like thing, we can make that with long distance relationship. So sometimes it's very useful to some people. So our output is we can get the better output. Like if you are doing an interview, if you using this video conferencing things, we can do the interviews from overseas. So then you can work there, you can work here but your company is in overseas. So you can get the highest salary from that. Don't write on the screen. Who is taking this annotate thing? Don't use annotate. Don't use annotate. Then those are well documented. Well documented means this creating a more responsible environment where people are held accountable for their work. So this is very trustworthy. So we can do our work with our way. Then growing community. Growing community means like all form of communication, everyone can be shy at first. So everyone are shy at first meet. Then, however, in the case of internet communication, people are more likely to be supportive and engage in discussion than the other communication forms. So, face-to-face meeting, and you can check the difference of face-to-face meetings and video conferencing thing, or you can check that with audio conference. So, in first sight, we are shy with face-to-face meeting. We also like that. If you have experience, if you know each other, that's not a problem. If you know each other, that's not a problem in face-to-face meeting. If someone is, if someone, if someone meet at first time, we have a little bit shy. So, in video conferencing or internet communication things, we can reduce our touch. But don't do wrong things, huh? Don't do wrong things using our internet communication. Okay, then online collaboration applications. What are the online collaborations applications? What are that? Online collaboration applications. So, using those online collaboration applications, we can do our work easily. Why? Online collaborating means we can connect each other for our work. In technical side, we have like GitHub. Then we have other several. We have some sites for helping for technical things. Then we can divide our task to each other. We can plan our projects. We can plan our projects and we can give our task to our people, to our workers. So this online collaboration is like we can divide our works in each other. So online collaboration application means online application design to help people involved in a common task to achieve their goal. So we have a common task, we can divide our task. If we have a common task, then we can divide part by part. Then we can give them to our collaborators. So the main purpose to enhance productivity of individuals in a group or team within an organization in order to achieve a particular goal. If we have a team, we can collaborate. If we have a team, we can collaborate. With collaborating, we can create the task. We can create the task and we can create the subtasks. We can define our projects. We can define our tasks. Then we can do one by one. No need to do one thing in all. So that's the collaboration. So by using online collaboration application, user can coordinate tasks and create individual workplace real time. So I explained that. Then the primary user who created the workspace can allow other to access, view, make changes, and whatever modifications are made on data files are synced across all users. Okay, so in collaborations means we can collaborate with our member. Okay, collaboration කියලා කියන්නේ අපි එක එක්කෙනාට අපි එක එක්කෙනා සහභාගී වෙලා කරන වැඩකට. يعني ටීම් එකක් ඉන්නවා නම් අපිට ටාස්ක් මොනවා හරි තියෙනවා නම් අපිට පුළුවන් ඒ ටාස්ක් ටික බෙදා ගන්න. හරි ටාස්ක් ටික බෙදාගෙන එක එක්කෙනාට බෙදාගෙන එඩිට් කරන්න පුළුවන්. කොලැබොරේට් වෙනවා කියන්නේ ඒකට. හරි. ඒකෝර ඔන්ලයින් කොලැබොරේෂන් ඇප්ලිකේෂන්ස් තියෙනවා. ටෙක්නිකල් වලන් GitHub තියෙනවා ප්‍රොජෙක්ට් මැනේජ්මන්ට් සයිඩ් එකේ Jira කියලා ඇප්ලිකේෂන් එක තියෙනවා. ඔය විදිහට එක එක ඇප්ලිකේෂන්ස් තියෙනවා. හරි. Then the primary user who created I told that. Then this ensure that everyone involved is on the same page and has latest version of current project. After you done your projects, then we can review others thing. After you done your thing, then others can review that. So it's better. Why? If someone is doing faulting, someone is done in wrong, we can fix that with discussion. So that's the advantage of online collaboration. ඒ කියන්නේ අපි කරපු ටාස්ක් එකක් කවුරු හරි වරද්දලා තිබ්බොත් අපිට පුළුවන් අපේ කට්ටියත් එක්ක කතා කරලා ඒක රිවිව් කරලා අපිට ඒකේ වැරද්ද හදා. Okay, then so let's see advantages of online collaboration applications. What are the advantages of online collaboration applications? First thing is save our time. Using this online collaboration application, we can save our time. Why? We divide our tasks. We divide our tasks into subtasks. Then we can do with our workflow. Okay, so then we can save our time. If each other done same work, it's not we cannot save the time. Okay, so using this collaboration applications, we can divide our tasks. Then we can give our tasks to each other. Then after they done that, we can review it. So that is using that method, we can save our time. Okay, so අපිට collaborate වෙලා කරන වැඩ වලින් අපේ කාලය ඉතුරු කරගන්න පුළුවන්. ඒ කියන්නේ අපි ටාස්ක් එකක් හදලා ඒක බෙදලා දුන්නොත් මොකද වෙන්නේ? ඒ ටාස්ක් එක එකම ටාස්ක් එක දෙන්න තුන් දෙනා කරන්නේ නැහැ නේ. එක ටාස්ක් එකක් කරන්නේ එක්කෙනයි. එයා කරලා ඉවරුනාට පස්සේ අනික් කට්ටිය රිවිව් කරනවා. හරි. එහෙම නැතුව එකම ටාස්ක් එක ගොඩක් කට්ටිය ඔක්කොම කරොත් එකම ටාස්ක් එක එතකොට අපිට යන කාලය වැඩි. Then enhance project management. It opens lines of communication and makes sure everything is on track in order to avoid mistakes and confusion that can delay projects. We can track our tasks. We can track our timeline. we have project management tools like Jira and Confluence, or likewise, we have several project management tools in our companies. We are using several project management tools. Using the project management tools, we have tasks and we have timeline. What we are going to do in this week. Okay, we have tasks. We have to complete that task within that week. Okay, so we can enhance our project. We can discuss with each other. We can we do this one in this week, and can we do this one in within this week? Likewise, we can discuss with each other using this online collaboration application. Then we can enhance our project. We can get the value. We can increase our productivity. Okay. ඒ කියන්නේ මේ collaboration applications use කරලා අපිට පුළුවන් අපේ task බෙදලා ඒවැ timeline දාන්න. time එකක් දෙන්න. මේ සතියේට මොනවද කරන්නේ? ඊළඟ සතියේ මොනවද කරන්නේ? එහෙම බෙදත හැකි. බෙදලා ඒව බෙදාගෙන කරනකොට අපේ project එකේ තියෙන value එක වැඩි වෙනවා. Then strengthen team relationship. Collaboration applications are designed to make it easy for teams to work almost like concerted unit with a singular purpose. So, using these collaboration applications, we can discuss with each other. We can share our knowledge. Okay, we have to discuss in those collaboration applications. We have to discuss in commenting, reviewing. We have to discuss. So, it improves our team relationship. It improves team bond. In software engineering companies, they are using project management tool like Jira and so on. Okay, in there they manage it. So in software engineering companies, they have software engineers, then project manager, then likewise they have some positions. Project managers are plan their project. They are building. They can't create application, but they can application as individuals and teams. So improve our organization. It can improve our organization power. It can increase their organization power. Why? If projects are going in timeline, it goes with actual timeline. It's better to their organization. It's better to their company. Clients can get the project on time. So that is the improve organization. Then what are the computer ethics? Computer ethics. So do and don't. What are the do and don't when you are using a computer? First thing is not use a computer to harm other people. So don't harm others. Don't use a computer for harm any other people. Don't change their images. Don't create any harmful images. Don't create any harmful video. Don't do that. That is not ethical. Then not interfere with other people's computer work. So don't interfere others' work. Do it your own. If someone give you, it doesn't matter. If someone doesn't like, don't interfere their work. හරි. මේ computer ethics කියලා කියන්නේ පරිගණක සාරධර්ම. හරි එතකොට කරන්න කම්පියුටර් එක යූස් කරනකොට කරන්න ඕන දේවල්. හරි මුලින් කියන්නේ හාම් කරන්න එපා. හාම් කරනවා කියන්නේ මොකද්ද? අතන එන්නේ නැහැ මට සිංහල. මේ එපා හාම් කරන්න එපා. interfere with other people's computer network කියන්නේ අනික් කට්ටියගේ කම්පියුටර්ස් වලට access නැත්තම් ඒවට ඒවැ තොරතුරු ගන්න එපා. That means in second one meaning of second one is don't hack others computer. Don't hack, don't interfere. Okay. Then not snoop around in other people's files. If they doesn't like to give you access, don't interfere their work. Don't interfere their files. Then not use a computer to steal. Don't use a computer for steal. හොරකම් කරන්න use කරන්න එපා computer එක. Then not use a computer to bear false witness. Don't use computers for bear false witness. බොරු සාක්ෂි හදන්න use කරන්න එපා. Then not use or computer. No, sorry, not use or copy software which you have not paid. That means don't use cracked software. Why? Our softwares are used by developers and organizations, companies. Like Windows is built by Microsoft. So it's not free. That's not a free software. Don't crack the software which is not free. So that's not ethical. Okay, using crack, you can use crack, but it's not ethical. And also using crack, you can harm your computer. Why? Some cracks are comes with viruses, like ransomware. In ransomware, if your computer consisting with ransomware, it stole your files, stole your personal files, and they send an email to you, give me or pay me like 5,000, pay me $1,000. Otherwise, you can't use your computer. You have to format your computer. Okay, so when you are using crack, you have to make sure. Then not use other people's computer resources without authorization. That means don't use others' equipment or others devices without their authorization. පිටගෙනගේ කම්පියුටර් එකක් හෝ මුකුත් යූස් කරන්න එපා. ඒගොල්ලන්ගේ අනුදැනුමක් නැතුව. ඒගොල්ලන්ගේ මේ access නැතුව use කරන්න එපා. Then not use appropriate other people intellectual output. That means don't get others output without their knowing. කාගේවත් output එකක් කාගේවත් result එකක් හොරගම් කරන්න එපා කියන අදහස තමයි ඒකේ තියෙන්නේ. Then think about the social consequence of program you write. So think about the social consequence. So behave good in the social media. Then use a computer in ways that show consideration and respect. Behave respectfully when you are using a computer and when you are using a internet. Behave respectfully. Don't do harm to others. So let's see importance of ethics in information technology. importance of ethics in information technology. So how we can use those information, how we can use those ethics to information technology. First thing is creates a culture of trust, responsibility, integrity, and excellence in the use of resources. When you are using when you are using some information or resource, you have to trust it. You have to trust it. Okay. So if you use some information from others, you have to inform them. If they if that information is not authorized, you cannot use that. That's not ethical. So you have to use ethics for information technology. For ICT, you have to use those ethics. Then promotes privacy, confidentiality of information and unauthorized access to computer network, helping to prevent conflict and dishonesty. That means don't hack others' computers. If you hack others' computers, you can get the information and you can get the file from others using hacking. Okay, you can hack the networks, but don't do that. That is not ethical. Don't get anything without authorization. Don't get anything without authorization of owner. Okay, so that's it for today. So do you have any problem regarding this lecture? Do you have any problem of this internet communication? Send me a direct message if you have any problem. Send me a message if you have any problem regarding this internet communication things. Don't you have any problem? Do you understand? If you have any problem, you can ask in single also. Don't worry. I can't explain everything in Sinhala because that's not ethical for our university. If someone inform or if someone complain that, that's not good for me. I think I put the lecture slides on Google Classroom. I put the lecture slides on Google Classroom. You can go to your Google Classroom. Don't you are in that Google Classroom? Go to Google Classroom and check. I will upload the lecture slides until this lecture. Okay, and do you have any problem? Any others? Okay, then let's wrap up the meeting. Thank you, guys.